Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are fit and fine. Students, today we are going to start revision of chapter number 2, the four operations. And in this chapter, we will revise these topics and addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and the four operations together. Now, students, let us revise our first topic, and that is addition. Okay, let us see what is addition. The process of finding the total or sum by combining two or more numbers. Okay, now let us take one example. Here we have two numbers 730 and 113, and when we add we get 843. Okay, beta, this is the symbol of addition. Okay, now here I have written addends and here sum. So what is the meaning of addends? Students, the numbers, these numbers, okay, the numbers that are added are called addends. Okay, and what is the meaning of sum? The answer, the result which we get after addition is called sum. Now, students, now let us see properties of addition. First property is when 0 is added to a number, the sum is the number itself. Okay, when we add 0 to a number, then we get the number itself. If we add 0 to 712, then our answer will be 712. Okay. Next property is when 1 is added to a number. When 1 is added to a number, then the sum is successor. Okay. Here we can see if we add 1 to 181, then we get 182, and we know 182 is successor of 181. Next property is numbers can be added, and numbers can be added in any order. Their sum will remain the same. Okay, means we can add the numbers in any order. Here you can see, here we have two numbers 510 and 307. If we add 307 to 510, then we get 817 as answer. But if we add 510 to 307, then also we will get the same answer. Now students, let us see how can we add the large numbers. Here we have to add 13 lakhs 41,107 and 6 lakhs 74,571. Okay, so beta, first of all we have to write places, and then we have to arrange these numbers according to their places. Okay, so here I have already written places: ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Okay, now first of all we have to arrange this number. Here at ones place we have 7, so here we have to write 7, then 0, 1, 1, then 4, then 3, and then 1 in 10 lakhs place. Now arrange this number. Here we have 1 in ones place, then 7, then 5, then 4, 7, then 6. Okay, and here in 10 lakhs place, here beta, in this number we don't have any digit, so here you can write 0. Okay, now we have to add, so here we have to put the symbol of addition, and we have to start adding from right side, from ones place. ठीक है, So first of all, we have to add 7 and 1. 7 and 1 will be 8. Here we have 0. 0 and 7 will be 7. 1 and 5 will be 6. 1 and 4 will be 5. 4 and 7 will be 11. So here we have to write 1 and 1 will be carry. 1 and 3, 4. 4 and 6, 10. Okay. So here we have to write 0 and 1 will be carry. Now 1 and 1, 2 and 0. So here we have 2. Now this number is our answer. So what is this number, beta? Here we have to put commas also. But how, beta? You know already. Okay, here you can see after one's period. After one's period means one's, tens, hundred. Okay, after 100 place we have to put first comma. So 1, 2, 3 means we have to leave 3 digits from right side, and then we have to put first comma. Then after 2 digits means after thousands period we have to put next comma. Now what is this number? You can see, you can read easily. 20 lakhs 15,678 is our answer. Now let us see one. Now students, let us take one more example. Here we have to find the missing digits. Okay, here you can see, here we have to write some digits. Okay, we don't have some digits, so we need to find these digits. Okay, now beta, we have to start from right side, from ones place digit. Here we have 2 and here we have 3. So it's very easy because we know when we add 2 and 3 we get 5. Okay, now comes in tens place. Here we don't have any digit, and here we have 6 is equal to, here we have 0. Is it possible that here 0? No beta. So here must be 10 because here already we have 6. तो 6 में अगर हम कुछ ऐड करेंगे तो 0 तो आ नहीं सकती है. ओके, सो यहाँ क्या होना चाहिए? 10 होना चाहिए. So here what should be added to 6 to get 10? So here we can write 4 because 4 and 6, 10. So here our digit will be 4. 4 and 6 will give us 10. Here 0 is written. So 1 will be carried. Now comes in 100 place. 1 and 3, 4. 4 and 3, 7. So here will come 7. Now comes in thousands place. Here we have 5. And here don't have any digit. And here we have 0 as a sum. Okay, so 5 plus something is equal to 0. Here we have 5 beta as addend, and here we have to write any digit, and here we have 0. Is it possible that here 0? No, here also it is not possible. So here must be 10. Okay, because here 5 में अगर हम कुछ ऐड करेंगे तो हमारे पास क्या होना चाहिए? 10. So what should be added to 5 to get 10? So here will come 5. So here we have to write 5. 5 and 5 will give us 10. Okay, so here 0 and 1 will be carry. Now we have here 1 is carry, here 2 as first addend, and here we have to write any digit, and here as an answer we have 6. So beta, what should be added here? What should be written here to get 6? Here we have 1 and 2 means 3 plus something here is equal to 6. So what should be added to 3 to get 6? So here 3 will come. So here we have to write 3. Okay, so like this you can find the missing digits. Now students, let us revise our next topic, and that is subtraction. Okay, now let us see what is the meaning of subtraction. Subtraction is the process of finding the difference between two numbers or quantities. Now let us see one example. Here we have two numbers, 357 and 125. And when we subtract 125 from 357, then we get 232. And here beta, I have written three words, mean van, subtrahend and difference. So what is the meaning of these words beta? What is the meaning of minvand? In subtraction, the greater number is called minvand, the smaller number is called subtrahend, and the result which we get after subtraction, that is called difference. Now students, let us see properties of subtraction. First property is when 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. Okay, so here we can see when we subtract 0 from 751, we get the same number. Okay, we get 751 as an answer. Next property is when 1 is subtracted from a number. When 1 is subtracted from a number, then the difference is the predecessor. Okay, means when we subtract 1 from a number, then we get predecessor as an answer. Here you can see, if we subtract 1 from 517, then we get 516. And we know 516 is predecessor of 517. Next property is when a number is subtracted from itself, then the difference is always 0. Okay, here you can see when we subtract 507 from 507, then we get 0 as an answer. Now students, let us see how can we subtract large numbers. Here we have to subtract 3,64,511 from 74,59,764. Okay. In subtraction, we have to write greater number as upper side. Okay. And smaller number on downside. But first of all, beta, like addition, first of all we have to write the places. Okay, so here I have written already places, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakhs. And now we have to arrange these numbers according to their places. Okay, here you can see, first we have to write this number on upper side, and then we have to arrange this number. Okay, now here we have to write 4, then 6, 7, 9, 5, 4 and then 7 will come in 10 lakhs place. After that we have to arrange this number. Here in ones place we have 1, so here we have to write 1. Next is 1, here 1, then 5, then 4, then 6 and then 3. And here you can see in 10 lakhs place, here we don't have any digit, so here you can write 0. Okay, now we have to subtract, and like addition we have to subtract also from right side. Okay, we have to start subtracting from right side, from ones place. Now beta, we have to subtract 1 from 4. When we subtract 1 from 4, we get 3. Here we have 1 and here 6, means we have to subtract 1 from 6. And when we subtract 1 from 6, we get 5. Now here you can see in 100 place we have 7 and 5. When we subtract 5 from 7, we get 2. And when we subtract 4 from 9, we get 5. Here we have 6 and here we have 5. Means we have to subtract 6 from 5. But it is not possible because it's smaller digit and it's greater. Okay. So what we will do beta? Here we need borrow. Okay. So 5 will borrow from 4. Okay. So here will become 15 and here becomes 3. Okay. 15 minus 6 will give us 9. Now here we have 3 and 3 minus 3 will be 0. Here we have 7 and here 0. And when we subtract 0 from any number, we get the number itself. So here will come 7. Now we have to put commas beta according to Indian place value system. Okay. From right side, we have to leave 3 digits. Okay. For ones period. And then after 2 digit again we have to put one more comma. Okay. Now how can we read it? 70 lakhs 95,253. Okay. Now we can subtract large numbers. Now let us see one more example. Now students, let us take one more example, and in this we have to find the missing digits. Okay. Better like addition, in this also we have to start from right side, from ones place. Okay. Here you can see in ones column we have here 2 as a mean value and here we have 8 as a difference. Okay. So here we have 2 and we know 2 is smaller than 8. So here we need to borrow. Okay. So when 2 will borrow from 1, here will be 12. Okay. And here we have 1. So here becomes 0. Okay. Now beta, what should be subtracted from 12 to get 8? So here will come 4 because when we subtract 4 from 12, we get 8. Now comes in tens column. Here we have 0, here 7 and here this digit we have to find. Means in tens column we have to find difference. Okay. So beta, here you can see 0 is smaller than 7. So here also we need to borrow. And when this 0 will borrow from this 2, here becomes 10. And here left only 1. Now when we subtract 7 from 10, we will get 3. So here we will write 3. Now comes in hundreds column. Here we have 1 and here we don't have any digit. And here as a difference we have 0. So what should be subtracted from 1 to get 0? It is very easy. So here we have to write 1 because we know 1 minus 1 will give us 0. Now comes in thousands column and here we have 6, here 7. We have to subtract 7 from 6 but 7 is greater than 6. So we need to borrow. When 6 will borrow from 5, then here becomes 4 and here becomes 16. Okay. And when we subtract 7 from 16, then we get 9. Now comes in 10,000s column. Here we have 4 and here we don't have any digit and as a difference we have 3. So beta, what should be subtracted from 4 to get 3? So here we will write 1. Okay, because when we subtract 1 from 4, then we get 3. So like this we can find the missing digits.